Evolution. Bro, what the hell was that all about? Play the evolution because I know damn well he has a firecracker. He's probably gonna play the goblin. Yep, told you. That was kind of retarded. I'm not gonna lie. They kind of nerfed the monk as well, which kind of sucks. Rage that. Whoops. My bad. Okay, now play. Let's go. Not too shabby. I don't know what that was about. Play the ice column. Let's go. Play the ice column. Damn. Come on. You got this. Play the ability. Not too shabby. Play the ice golem. Both try to rage bait it. Suspicious bush. Cause why not? No, don't destroy it. Freaking firecracker. Damn. Freaking monkey didn't let me. I should have switched side. If you made it this far, hit that follow button for more. We're so close to 100. I appreciate it very much. Well, especially on TikTok though. Thanks so much.